When you engage in the challenging exercise of performing 100 burpees every day, your body undergoes several significant changes. Burpees are a high-intensity, full-body exercise that combines elements of strength training and cardiovascular conditioning. Consistently incorporating this exercise into your daily routine can lead to various physiological and fitness-related benefits. However, it is important to note that individual results may vary based on factors such as starting fitness level, technique, and overall health. Increased cardiovascular endurance. Burpees are an excellent cardiovascular exercise that gets your heart rate up quickly. Performing 100 burpees each day can improve your cardiovascular endurance over time. Your heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood, and your lungs become better at delivering oxygen to your muscles. This can result in improved stamina and the ability to engage in physical activities for longer durations without feeling excessively tired. Improved strength and muscle tone. Burpees engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your chest, shoulders, arms, core, glutes, and legs. Regularly performing 100 burpees can lead to increased muscular strength and endurance throughout your entire body. Over time, you may notice improved muscle tone, definition, and overall functional strength. Fat burning and weight management. Due to its high intensity, incorporating 100 burpees into your daily routine can contribute to weight loss and fat burning. Burpees engage both the aerobic and anaerobic energy systems, which can help increase your metabolic rate and promote calorie expenditure. When combined with a balanced diet, regular burpee workouts may aid in weight management and body composition improvement. Enhanced full body mobility. The explosive and dynamic nature of burpees requires flexibility and mobility throughout your body. Performing 100 burpees each day can help improve your joint range of motion and overall flexibility. Over time, you may notice increased mobility in your hips, shoulders, and spine, which can benefit your overall functional movement patterns. Mental benefits. Engaging in a challenging exercise routine like 100 burpees daily can have positive effects on your mental well-being. High-intensity workouts, including burpees, release endorphins, which are natural mood-boosting chemicals in the brain. This can lead to reduced stress levels, improved cognitive function, increased focus, and a sense of accomplishment. Increased bone density. The repetitive nature of exercises like burpees can stimulate bone growth and help maintain or increase bone density. This is particularly important for individuals at risk of osteoporosis or those looking to prevent age-related bone loss. However, it's essential to approach any exercise regimen with caution and prioritize safety. Performing 100 burpees daily can be physically demanding and may increase the risk of injury if proper form and technique are not maintained. It's advisable to start with a lower number of burpees and gradually increase the intensity and volume as your fitness level improves. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and allow for adequate rest and recovery between workouts. Consulting with a fitness professional or healthcare provider is recommended, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns. In summary, incorporating 100 burpees into your daily routine can lead to improved cardiovascular endurance, increased strength and muscle tone, fat burning, enhanced mobility, mental benefits, and increased bone density. However, it's important to approach this exercise regimen safely and consult with professionals when necessary.